Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the best car vacuum in the market for this year. Armorall AA255 Vacuum. This lightweight cleaner is very portable and comes with a handle which makes it easy to carry around while vacuuming. A deluxe car nozzle and crevice tool are available, which gives this cleaner an advantage when cleaning the interior of your car. On the cleaner there is a dedicated accessory storage which also makes it easy to store the cleaner after each use. It has a 2.5 gallon storage tank with an auto shut-off feature. The power cord of this cleaner is 10 foot long, which is essential since you cannot plug it into the car. BLACK+DECKER CHV1410L Cordless Vacuum. Disassembly of certain parts of this vacuum is quite easy for better maintenance. The dirt bowl is translucent and bagless so users can see the dirt level. The dirt bowl is easy to empty and is also washable. The cleaner is lightweight and runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The battery takes about 4 hours to charge but can also retain its charge for up to 18 months. It also has a strong suction for an improved cleaning. An issue common to certain users is with the battery or charger. Eureka EasyClean Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Although this is a handheld vacuum, it also features a riser visor technology. This allows the cleaning of vertical upholstery and stairs. A crevice tool is available on the hose of the cleaner for cleaning between tight spaces like furniture cushions. This cleaner is excellent for use in cleaning a car. It is able to fit into tight corners and get to various nooks and crannies within the vehicle. It is easy to use, strong suction, and a long power cord. The only issue is that this cleaner does not feel very durable.